What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Ironclad Marketing Minute. My name is Benjamin Ricciardi with Ironclad Restoration Marketing, and we help restoration business owners get more sales just by getting their internet marketing right. Well, guess what? Cat season is right around the corner, and if you're like me living in South Florida, hurricane season means you've got to be prepared. And I'm not talking about being prepared by going out and stocking up on flashlights and gas and water to make sure you have everything you need to survive. Yeah, you should be doing that. But if you are a property damage restoration company that provides storm damage restoration or services to people after a named storm has hit their area, then you need to be uniquely prepared because of the unique challenges cat or hurricane season presents to your industry. The biggest being the heightened need for what you do. That's right. If a named storm comes, way more people need you, but more so, you're going to have a lot more competition, which means ad costs are going to get driven up and there's a lot less pie to divvy up between everybody. But the people that win are the people who are easily found online, that have the most visibility on a search engine, specifically Google. So if you haven't implemented SEO and Google Business Profile Management to rank well in the organics and maps rankings, and you're not running a strategic pay-per-click campaign, then you need to listen up. We know that SEO and Google Business Profile take months to rank well. So if you haven't started doing any of that, you might be a little late to do so, but it's always a good idea to start now to be ready for next season. It's kind of like saying, I want to get a beach body ready, but only starting dieting and exercising in June. You're probably not going to get the results that you were looking for. However, starting that stuff now is always good practice. So if you haven't already implemented Google Business Profile Management and SEO, and you're not really ranking well in your organic or maps rankings, then you should be considering a very strategic, very targeted, with a very healthy budget Google Ads campaign that encompasses pay-per-click and LSA to be able to capture those leads right now. We talk in the past about SEO, Google Business Profile, like being the garden of leads that you're growing for your business, right? You invest resources, time, energy, money, and all these things to be able to rank well online, but it's a very sustainable way to get leads. Whereas Google Ads, LSA is like going to the grocery store. You get those leads now, you'll be able to keep your trucks on the road and remain healthy. But those of you out there that have implemented SEO, you have strong organic rankings, you're ranking well in the map section, and you're implementing pay-per-click, you are going to be the ones that win online during cat season. So whether you like it or not, cat season's coming. So ready or not, you need to make sure you have those rankings. We'll talk to you next time.